Hello everyone and welcome back to Accordion Joy. I'm Nicola and today we'll learn another delightful tune, This Old Man. It's fun and easy piece that you can proudly play for family and friends. Let's dive in. Here is how This Old Man sounds on the accordion. It's a catchy tune in a C major that's perfect for practicing rhythm and coordination. We'll take it step by step. Okay, so to start, first we're gonna start with the right hand, and I'll tell you first the notes that you will need to play using your right hand. Alright. G, E, G, G, E, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, F, G, C, 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 D, E, F, G, G, D, D, F, E, D, C. Alright, those are the first two lines. Next two lines are pretty much the same. Yeah, they are exactly the same actually. So G, E, G, G, E, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, F, G, C, 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 D, E, F, G, G, D, D, F, E, D, C. Alright, let's play the piece again. Now I'm gonna tell you the fingering that you'll be using while playing this one. Alright, so we have 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here it comes a tricky place and something new for you. So instead of playing now G with the fourth finger, which will more come naturally, we need to switch the position a little bit, and instead of playing with the fourth finger on the G, we put the fifth finger because we have also C later. So that's why we play 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, one more new thing here for you guys is that you have 8 notes. 8 notes, you'll find them in the 5th and the 6th bar. They are pretty much like quarters, only they are connected to each other. And they are just divided by 2. So if this is a quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4, the 8 notes would be just divided. Instead of 4, you will have 8. So this quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. So just have, it's divided on 2. Okay, let's go from the bar 5 again. So, fingering 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from the third line, I'll go a little bit faster because everything is the same basically. 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's for the right hand. And now we're gonna do the left hand. Again, just telling you first the names that you need to play, which basses are. So we have C, C major, C, C major, C, chord, C, chord, F, F major, F, F major, jump, G, G major, G major. So after the pieces before, this is new challenging thing for you after those pieces that we've done in the previous lessons. What's challenging here is this jump between F and G in the bass. So as you notice, up until now we only did like C, G, go back, and then C, F, and go back to C. So only one button distance. In this case, in third bar, we have F major, and then we need to jump to the G major. So we skip C and go directly to the G. So this is the thing that you need to focus on and practice only this. You can practice it also by just playing third bar and then jump to G and then just repeat like a couple of times. So that would be like option one. Second option is just play F and F major together and then just jump directly, or rather not jump with the whole thing with the fingers, but slide up to the G and G major together, both at the same time. Once you are sure, then press the buttons. And then go back again to the F, go back to the G, go back to the F, and speed up when you feel more comfortable. And so on. So that's how you practice these tricky places, let's say, these jumps in this case. Okay, let's move on to the fifth bar. We have C, C major, C, C major, C chord, C chord, G, G major, G, G major, and then bar 8, G major, C, C major. Okay, if you go on, so basically the notes are written, what you need to play in the bass. Just be sure to use the score, use the sheet music that is provided in the attachment of this lesson, and you will have a great experience. You just can follow it and see it very easy how to play it. All right, just for the fingering, to mention one thing, here we have only major chords. So just to say one more time, every time we have major chord, we play fourth finger on the root tone, in this case for example C, and for the major chord we use the third finger. And for any bass, if you play C, F or G, doesn't matter, we always play just 4-3. 4-3, for example F, 4-3, 4th bar, G, and then again. So all the time we're gonna use 4-3 for the fingering. Alright, now the fun part, combining the melody and chords. Remember to start slow because speed comes with practice. So I'll play the whole song again in very slow tempo with counting so that you can hear the beat and the rhythm. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, basically if you know the piece up until here, that's the last bar of the second line, line 3 and 4 are just repetitions. So instead of, like when you see the piece, you will see like 4 lines, or you will see like 16 bars. But basically, if you know first 2 lines or 8 bars, you know also from bar 9 until the end, because it's the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and let's play the piece just one more time in a slow tempo but without counting. Well done! You've just added another fun tune to your accordion playlist. Keep practicing and don't forget to revisit previous songs to keep improving. See you in the next lesson.